Hey guys, it's the Quiz Wiz. I decided to try something a little different and do a quizzes. Just so y'all would be able to find it, so that instead of like a Google slide, which is great, y'all can play this if y'all go to adding decimals. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first one is a question. So we're gonna annotate on it. So 10.3 plus 6.5. So it's just 8.61. I promise you there are some that actually have to do with how to set it up and stuff, but that's just not happening today, yes? Aha, here's one. First you have to, what do you first have to do whenever you're adding decimals? Well, first you have to line up your decimals, because like multiplying you don't line up your decimals, but adding you do, and same for subtracting. And that is correct. You have to line up your decimals. What are the steps? Line up decimals, add, and then bring down the decimals. Move the decimals to the right to make a whole number. Bring down the decimals, add, line up decimals, solve right away. So we can for sure know that it is not this one, because you never ever solve anything right away. You know it's not this one because that's for multiplying. Bring down decimals, add, and line them up. Makes no sense, so it can't possibly be that one. So it has to be this one. And so that is correct. So y'all, you can find this under my account if you can. I don't really know how quizzes works. I've only used it for school stuff. And Which of the following are? This is how you set it up. Which of the following are correct? So let's see. This one just isn't lined up at all, so it can't possibly be this one. This one is lined up at the decimals. 1 second. Decimals are lined up, and so that one could be correct. This one doesn't have the addition sign, so this one can't possibly be it either. Sorry if my X is kind of weird, it's just easier. And then these two decimals are lined up, so that would have to make these two. And they are. Oh, I forgot to clear all my annotations. Whoops, pressed the wrong thing. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm still getting used to this whole thing. Okay, so 4.32 plus 29. 4.32 plus 29. Notice how I lined up the decimals and not the numbers. I lined up the decimals. And that would be a 1 and a 1, and then that's a 5, that's a 6, and that's a 4. And then you always have to bring down your decimal, and that's your answer. Always box in your answer. So 4.61. Oh, and you have a good suspicion well, how about we go ahead and check it? So it's 4.61 minus 0.29, because you can always check addition by subtraction and subtraction by addition. So that would be, 5, that's 11, 9. And then 2 minus 5 equals 3.4. That was one of our starting numbers. So we are correct. It is 4.6. No means 1 in Spanish, by the way. We are correct. And then we have one more question, just because I wanted to make it short so that my video wasn't 45 minutes long. Okay, so it was 4.2 plus 0.18. Now, so 4, why am I just 4.2 plus 0.18. So whenever you have one like this, you always have to put a 0 at the end, and then 83.4. So 4.83, and that is... Sorry, it almost was running out of time. That's why I couldn't check it. And I won because I knew. Okay, so that is what you have to do to add decimals. And then you also have to check them. Well, depending on your teacher, you have to check them, but I would suggest you do. And then, so I hope this video helped you understand how to add decimals. Be sure to check out my other account, which is just under Quiz Space Wiz. And this one's just Quiz Wiz 01. And then I have another video on adding decimals that isn't a quizzes. And also, quizzes. And then be sure to go to Quizzes and go to this thing, and you can do the same questions that I just did. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.